In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Capital One account on PC. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in capital1.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Capital One. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So signing into your account is actually very simple. For that, click on this option sign in that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the sign in interface of Capital One. From here, you'll be able to sign in to your account. All you have to do is enter your username and password. Click on the field of username and enter the username over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on this option forget username or password that you can see on the screen. Now after you enter your credentials, click on this option sign in that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be logged in to your account. So that is how you log in Capital One account on PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.